लिखें। रेडी? The introduction of the electronic communication media should not be allowed to obscure the continuing and increasing need for writing in the business organization. Full stop. For one thing, comma, business could not operate without the covenant permanent record of its transactions that writing provides. Full stop. Writing is easily encoded, comma, transmitted, comma, filed, comma, and retrieved. Full stop. One important comma, however, comma, writing encourages through and reason, though and reason, comma, and permits expression with the utmost clarity, comma, precision, comma, conciseness, comma, grace, comma, and tact. Full stop. There are many places in the organization, comma, including the higher echelons, comma, where such qualities are especially valued and sought. Full stop. Writing is indispensable for routine record keeping and reporting, comma, expressing company policies, comma, issuing work assignments, comma, and instructing employees. Full stop. In some instances, comma, efficiency is cited by the use of such printed forms as purchase orders, comma, sales slips, comma, inventory records, comma, and receipts. Full stop. In other instances, comma, manuals are provided to ensure efficient and uniform handling of routine problems. Full stop. For example, comma, instructions may be printed for every step in a complicated procedure or production process, comma, or a carefully indexed series of form letters may be provided for use in certain repetitive situations. Full stop. In still other instances, comma, the work of the organization is performed by individually dictated letters and memorandums and carefully researched reports. Full stop. Minutes of meetings, comma, credit reports, comma, and the reports of operations audits offer only a few examples of documents important to the continuing life of the organization and very demanding of the writer's skill. Full stop. Paragraph. An organization is not just a group of working people, comma, but a group of people working together. Full stop. Much that glues the organization together is accomplished on a person to person basis and in conferences and meetings. Full stop. But a great deal of dependence is also placed on the written word. Full stop. A part of the philosophy of employee relations is that the more information workers are permitted to have, comma, the more interested they will be in their jobs and the more loyal they will be to the company. Full stop. Happier workers tend to stay longer and produce more. Full stop. In addition to the ordinary training manuals and printed job instructions, many companies also issue handbooks outlining the workers, rights, privileges, and duties, full stop. Other business publications include periodic news bulletin and company newspapers, magazines, and technical journals to which employees contribute, full stop. Most large organizations operate suggestion system which make awards for employees, written suggestions for improving the work, full stop. Some heads of organization also make it a practice to address letters to employees at their homes congratulating them on their job performance, on the celebration of an anniversary, or on the achievement of some community honor, full stop. Letters are similarly used to inform employees and their families of significant developments in the company, full stop.